hands. Hold my hand gently. Right, ready?
He was the first grandchild that really liked me. I'm not saying the others didn't like me, but there was that affinity right from day one.
I'm going to do some counting.
Can we count? 2, don't move. 2, 3.
When he would come into the room, he would make a beeline for me each time. I'd never experienced that before, and for me that was quite an emotional thing. He makes me laugh a lot. I really am looking forward to him helping me make things, because I like making things. It's a lovely experience doing it, holding his hand, keeping him quiet, stopping him moving, stopping me moving in the alginate. Is that the word?
We're very good together, aren't we, men? Especially when there's a chocolate at the end of it.
It's the tranquility of the relationship, really. There's the lack of pressure, isn't it?
It's my hand.
It is our hands.
With your children, you've got to bring them up, you've got to discipline them and all the rest of it. Now it's just enjoying them and just correcting them, but you can't take all the responsibility for it, and it's lovely.